This car is going into my garage right now, which is like an hour away. My new garage. So here we have carburetors with some stickers and wraps, new discs for the front. These are all the parts inside the car. Probably we are on the freeway. There's windy. We are going very fast. Everything's okay for now. So, let's go. So here we are at the new garage. So need to take the back lamps down. Need to take the lamps down and put the old ones on. So yeah.
The battery's fucked and there goes the video. So yeah, welcome to Euro Trash Life, where we don't have batteries for cars, and if you watched us before you already know, so we should push start this bitch. It's nice downhill, so we can pull it off.
This is how we roll.
This guy bought something for the Skoda. We got tools, we got these boxes, and now we're gonna find out what's in these boxes.
I think they know.
Is everybody ready? Ooh, specs. Specs. Yes. It's the wrong way. Damn. Also hardware.
Bolts. Spacers.
Nice.
Is the back of the wheel?
Nice.
Yeah. Will not show you? This is the front.
Oh yeah. So now imagine this on this. And this is what we're gonna find out. We're gonna test fit this. We're gonna try to mount them, get the car on the ground. Look, no tires, just put some wood under there hopefully. And let's see how awesome it looks. First, jack up the car. Also put some electrical tape on this, we don't want to scratch the new rims. So. There it is, we got them on, 2 bolts in. Just wanted to see how it fits first. Everything's good, the center rings are perfect, bolts are good, so it looks fresh as hell. Also, we didn't talk about which wheels these actually are. These are Autostar wheels. They're not exactly like legit 3-piece or something, they're budget, but they look awesome.
They're like almost the same as BBS E50s.
Yeah, it's kind of a copy, but yeah, they look awesome. They have machined lips, so that's pretty cool. Brand new, pretty cheap. So yeah, I think we're gonna need a nice fat piece of wood for under the wheel. Then we're gonna slowly lower it and see how it actually looks. Oh yeah, perfect. There it is. Yeah, it looks pretty awesome from here, but we got some of that Mexican poke going on. So, but I think if you like put on stretch tires, and if it's gonna be lower, there's gonna be some camber. So maybe it's just gonna work out, because this is like that. It might need camber. Because the seat of the wheel is like really deep, so they poke out a little bit, but it looks fire on this car, and even with this color, it's pretty awesome. Oh yeah, it's good.
I need to get them on the rubber.
Oh yeah, we need some tires for this shit. Also, right now we're on like 35mm springs or 40, so
It's
yeah.
not really low.
We're gonna get coils, of course, for all our Skodas, and we have to mount some tires on this, and then try again. So now we're probably gonna take them off. We're gonna put the original 13 inches on. We're gonna lower it down so it's gonna be all slammed, because these were 15s before. And then we're gonna put them next to the car, so we're gonna see how it looks really slammed. So that's what we're doing today, because what else would you do on a Sunday?